My grandma has chickens, and one of the eggs is starting to crack.
Ooh, that means a chick is about to hatch, Jake.
Wait, there's actually a chick inside the egg right now?
Yep, Mrs. Johnson told us it grows in there for almost 3 whole weeks.
Whoa, 3 weeks? What does it even do in there that long?
It starts super tiny, like a little dot, and slowly grows feathers, eyes, and tiny feet.
Oh, kind of like how a caterpillar slowly grows into a butterfly?
Yeah, that's a good comparison, Jake. It's a slow little surprise happening inside.
Wait. Does it eat anything in there? It must get hungry.
It actually has its own little food supply right inside the egg called a yolk.
Whoa, there's food built right in? That's so cool.
Yeah, it's kind of like a tiny lunchbox that came with the egg.
Oh, I get it now. So the chick eats its lunchbox while it grows?
Exactly. And once it's big enough and ready, it starts pecking at the shell to get out.
Whoa, it breaks out all by itself? That sounds like hard work.
It really is. My mom told me it can take many hours just to crack all the way through.
I didn't know that. I thought it would just pop right out.
Nope. It's slow and a little tiring, but so worth it when the fluffy chick finally comes out.
This is the coolest thing ever, Emma. I want to watch Grandma's egg hatch.
Me too. Let's go check on it after school.
Now, let's explain the meaning of some of the words you heard. Hatch. When a baby animal breaks out of its egg and comes into the world for the first time. Feathers. The soft, fluffy covering on a bird's body, like a cozy built-in jacket. Yolk. The yellow part inside an egg that gives the growing chick its food. Lunchbox. A small container used to carry food. Used here to describe how the yolk feeds the chick. Pecking. Tapping or hitting something gently with a beak, like a tiny hammer knocking softly. Shell, the hard outer covering of an egg that protects what's growing inside. Tiring, making you feel sleepy or worn out after lots of hard work, like after running around all day.